Your social media feed is probably a constant stream of faces being transformed in real time. One side of a jawline looks soft and rounded, while the other looks sharp enough to cut glass. It is easy to assume it is all just lighting or some new digital filter. I decided to pull back the curtain on the Nuvetra Lymphatic Face Brush to see what is actually happening. The weirdest part of this whole rabbit hole is that the core idea is totally legitimate. This is not just some trendy wellness nonsense. Your lymphatic system acts as the body's internal drainage network. It is responsible for moving fluid around. When that system gets a little lazy, you end up with a face that looks heavy and puffy. This happens most often around the eyes and the jaw. Licensed specialists will tell you that a gentle massage can move that stagnant fluid toward your lymph nodes. This process actually does define the face and reduces that morning puffiness. The brush design makes sense because it forces you to be gentle. People usually grab a heavy stone tool and press way too hard. That just causes irritation and redness. A soft bristle brush uses a feather light touch, which is exactly what the lymphatic system needs to start moving. But this is where things get really sketchy. I took a long look at the website for this specific brand and it is a total mess. Security platforms have flagged a site as suspicious. All their social media buttons are broken. They do not even point to real accounts. Then there are the reviews. In one spot, they claim over 7,000 reviews, and in another, they say 2,500. They cannot even keep their own story straight. I even found identical reviews from two different people, supposedly living in the same town. They use the exact same sentences word for word. That is a clear sign of fake testimonials. They also throw around the phrase dermatologist approved without ever naming a single doctor or showing a study. The reality is that this product is likely just a generic brush with a logo printed on it. It is a classic move where a company takes a real scientific concept and uses it to sell a basic tool for $25. You are seeing results in those videos because the technique works, not because the brush is magical. If you want to try this at home, focus on the method. You have to play at the neck first to open the path. Then you use light, outward strokes toward the ears. You do not need a suspicious website to get those results. You can find high-quality tools from reputable experts who have actual credentials behind their names. There is no reason to risk your credit card information on a site with broken links and copied reviews. The science of drainage is a great addition to a skincare routine. It really does help with that bloated feeling in the morning. Just skip this particular brand and go for something with a real history. Always look for a real company background before you click buy. It is better to spend your money with a seller who has a verifiable track record and real human feedback. You deserve the glow without the headache of a potential scam.